Hi, I'm Thomas from Aurora Middle School, and today I'll be teaching you hands-on equations. But first, we need to explain what these pieces are. So first we have an X, which is represented by a white pawn, or not white pawn, a blue pawn. And then we have constants, which are represented by these red and green number cubes. So the green is negative and the red is positive. And then we have the opposite of X, and together they make a pair of 0. So then, now our first problem is 4x plus 3 equals 2x plus 7. So we have this here, we have 4x here, and then we have 3 and 2x and 7. So what we need to do is we want to get rid of these 2x to have just one side with x. So what we're going to do is we're going to add a white to both sides, which is a legal move because you're adding the same thing to both sides. And we're going to do that again. So then we can take away a pair of 0. That's from the same side, and another pair of 0, and we're going to do the exact same thing on this side. So we're going to take away 2 pairs of 0, and then now we have 2x plus 3 equals 7. So we're going to have to also add, we want to get rid of this 3 to have the x's just by themselves. So what we're going to add is we're going to add a 3 here and a 3 here. So then this comes a pair of 0 because it equals 0, so we take it off. Now we have 2x. And then also we need to do 7 minus 3, negative 3, so we get 4. So we need 2x equals 4. So we need to divide these two by. We need to divide this entire equation by 2, so we can have x by itself. So we have 2, so we need to divide it by 2. So when we divide by 2, it becomes x equals 2. So our next problem is the opposite of 3x plus 2 equals negative 10 plus x. So we want to get rid of this x to isolate just these x. So what we're going to want to do is we're going to add the white pawn to both sides. And this is a legal move because it's the same thing. And then we can take away a pair of 0 because that equals 0, so it's nothing. And then what we can do is we want to get rid of this 2, so we just have this equals x equals this. So we're going to add these negative 2's to both sides, and this is also another pair of 0, so it's a legal move to take it off. So now we have, and this is negative 10 plus negative 2 equals negative 12. So we have is the opposite of 4x equals negative 12, and if we divide this by negative 4, because this is negative, so when we do negative divided by negative, it becomes a positive, and then it would be a positive 4. So our next problem is the opposite of 3x plus 5 plus x equals 2x plus negative 3. So it's set up here. So what we're going to do is we're going to take away the same thing from both sides as our legal move, and we're going to add a white pawn to both sides, so we can add a pair of 0. So this is a pair of 0 and take off. Now we need to get rid of this number right here because we need to isolate the x's. So we have to add a negative 5 to both sides. And then with these, this is a pair of 0 because it's positive 5 and negative 5. So we take it off. And then this is 3 plus negative 5 equals negative 8. So we have 4x, and the opposite of 4x equals negative 8. So we're going to have to, if we divide this by negative 4, because we have 4 here, 4 white pawns, we get x, and the negative divided by negative is a positive. So x equals positive 2. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe.